大家好，我係 Mr. Manso，今日會為大家講呢就係 S4 嘅 Exercise 8E，咁就係第14條啦。A hawker bought a box of oranges for $360. 20 of them were rotten. The hawker then stole the remaining good oranges, each at $1 more than the original cost per orange. He made a profit of $40. Find the number of oranges in the box originally. 同13條一樣啦，都係講緊一個 unit price 嘅問題嚟嘅。OK， 咁我哋睇翻 originally 係發生啲咩事咯喎？咁就有360蚊啦，就買咗 X 咁多個橙啦。咁每個橙嘅價錢當然係360除 X 啦。OK，咁但係之後呢，我哋有20個呢就壞咗嘅，咁我哋嘅數量呢就由 X 呢褪到 X 減20嘅。咁佢話呢，今次做晒買賣之後呢，佢係有40蚊賺嘅。咦？咁嗰個 total amount 個總額呢，就唔再係360咯喎，因為你多咗40蚊賺啊嘛。個 total amount 呢，你就會有成呢個400蚊嘅。OK，360加40啊嘛。好，咁所以呢，就係400呢，就 over 翻個 number of oranges 就係 X 減20嘅。咁呢度都講明啦。The hawker then sold the remaining good oranges each at $1 more than the original cost。得唔得？原本每一個橙嘅價值呢就會係360除 X 啊嘛，得唔得？佢話買貴咗1蚊，咁咪將呢個原本嘅價值加1蚊，咪就係等於最後嗰個售價咯。下一步點做？下一步要搞掂兩個分母，咁咪大家左右手一齊乘兩個分母咯。搞掂晒兩個分母之後就梗係 happy 啦，因為拉翻直條式啦嘛，最尾出到個 general form 嘅。OK， 派完計數機，你知道 X 一係就120，一係就-60啦 ，reject 咗佢啦，因為呢 X 本身係講幾粒橙啊嘛，負數係冇意思嘅。好，多謝大家，拜拜。